Hello and welcome back to our series. We have previously done loop and condition, but I have said you that we will do file handling, and let's do file handling here. Let's first find my project. Where is my project? I think here is my project. Here course CPP, and we have used C++ project. Here the main .cpp we will use to look at this. Let's first of all we have to use on heading here include. I will include ifstream, means this is the heading that will hold the operation of file. Let's first of all there is two operation in the file, that are writing and reading. Writing means to insert the value in the file, inserting value in the file, and reading means reading the inserted value from file. There are three mode of in the file. They are read only means R and write only and there write only and append mode. I will describe this. What are they? Read only mode will only read the value from file. This will only write the file and overwrite the previous content, and the previous content will be deleted. In this mode it will append the value at the last of the text. Suppose this is the file, this is the text contained in the file. When we add the value, it will add at the last of this file, neither it will remove the data. First we will do two class of the ifstream. They are ofstream, and there are three classes of the ifstream. These are ifstream, ofstream, and ifstream. First of all we will do about ifstream and ofstream. Ofstream means output stream, output file stream, and this is input file stream. First of all we will use to open with ofstream. We will insert the value in the file. Let's insert the into file. Let's make a file. I will make ofstream, and I will make writing w file, write file. Let's make a w file dot. I will open one file, suppose test.txt. What it will do, if there is a file, then it will open and delete all the content, otherwise it will create the file. Let's write the file, write in file. Up to when it is open, it will not overwrite that file. Up to when we are writing, write file, just we will shift right, means we are inserting this value. Like in printing, this we will get, I will insert hello. Again I will insert here line break also. Dogs are disturbing us here, please don't give your mind to that. This is second line, and after that we have to close the file also. W file dot close. Let's run it. We can add more line here too. Let's make line, save it and run it. It will not give anything in the screen. Let's view our file. Yes, we have get here test.php. Let's open it with, yes, we have get hello. This is the second line. Let's try to change the text and see what will happen, because we are opening in ofstream. This, sorry, where it has been gone, is second file. Sorry, this is second line, first line, first, and this is line. Save it and view it. First of all, we will run it. When we run it, it will give the answer. As here we have the file test that we will open it, as this is the first line and this is the second line. It has override the file. Now we will know about if file. I will just make here if stream to read file. I will open same file. If the file is not there, it will not read from file. If file dot open, here I will pass test.txt. I will our file I will make input here. For inputting, I should make this. So we will initialize variable. I will insert here, so only integer value I will insert here, because this we will read in variable, not in string. We will learn about string later. Read file we will make in the variable. I will make first, I will declare first int a comma b. I will assign the value in this variable, and our file dot assign b. Program will be know that they were inserted differently, and it will make in different way. Let's say run it. Here we will look at the file first. I will take to you, sorry, this is videos, code cpp and c++ project and test that 23 and 3 are at the same place. How it will read? Now I will show you that. Just make this deleted and let's close it. Read file dot close. Let's print a, and I will print, sorry, print should be in shift right mode, a, and I will print tab here, and I will print b here. Let's see what will happen here. Sorry, no print, see out. sorry for that mistake. It is another silly mistake in my series. It is not getting the values because we should try to read in the same file that we have make it. Let's make that file, sorry, control S. I will make this variable int a and b. I will pass here simply 23 and 42. Sorry, I should pass in integer type 23 and 42, because previous time we get result that result because that we are not getting the right position in the file, because we are assigning at the same position. So the computer will get something bad element. We can separate by commas. Let's a and r file and b. Let's see out it. A, then tab, and I will print b here, and let's close the file. Our file, we have to close the file, otherwise it may give some problem. Let's close the file and let's build it. Again we are getting different values because it is because of the value we are getting this, because this is our own variable. When we read the file, I have cpp project and this is in the own place, then it will not read that value. Let's try to give the tab here. It may work it here /tab. Here we have to pass this also. Let's run and see what will happen here. I think it will not work too, because what will happen we will see here in the programming too. Yes, we have get it, because it read in here a and b. Yes, we have get it. Now how this happen, I will explain it here. Yes, they are separated here, and here is space. In space it will be the program will be get executed here. Sorry for this, I have opened my YouTube. Let's minimize it. We can make by this tab, or we can give only space here. If we also give space, it will be work for us. Let's run it. Yes, we have get the 23 and 42. We have give this more tab because we have give here tab between these two numbers while printing. This is only for reading and writing, and we will open the file in 3 different mode in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for growing our community and make our community strong. Thank you.